Hi, good evening. So, today we will learn about medical writing. So, introduction. What is medical writing? Medical writing involves creating well-structured scientific document that include clinical research document, content for healthcare website, health magazines, journals, and news. Let me tell you guys that medical writing is not only limited to a protocol or a case report form or clinical study report. Medical writing is a vast career. So if you are selecting medical writer, you have to be more focus on your writing skills as well as your learning skills and as well as your thinking capacity, because the new thoughts can develop the new writings. Okay, so medical writing is a well structured we have to create a well structured scientific document. Okay, and it can include clinical research document as well as content for healthcare website. You have seen many websites, right? So in that website the content, uh, which all the things are mentioned, all that contents is written by the medical writer. Even the health magazines, journals, and news, that all things are also written by the medical writer. Now, medical writer is a vital in bridging the gap between scientific research and its application in clinical practice. Like what the thing we are practicing in clinical research and the scientific research. It is the mediator of scientific research and clinical practice. Okay, medical professionals are skilled at presenting complex information in manner that is clear and logical. We are getting the data. If you are working as a medical writer, then you will get the data in very complex form. Okay, because after the statistical analysis, all the things, all the data will be will become to the clustered form. So you have to break down all that data. You have to analyze which data will be placed in which form or which way we can represent that data. Okay, so this thing also we have to manage. And one more thing, uh, medical writer, if you are working as a medical writer, so you can work as a freelancer also. Okay, so basically what is freelancer? Suppose freelancer ये नहीं होता कि only 3-4 hours you have to work and later on you cannot work, or you don't have to work. इसमें ऐसा होता है कि for example I am starting my business as a freelancer, so I will connect to multiple companies, and companies will hire me in the basis of project or else by monthly basis also. Okay, so suppose I have hired by the project based. So project खत्म हुआ, then I have to start the another project, और तब तक मैंने कोई दूसरी कंपनी ढूंढ के नहीं रखी. सो मेरा काम वहीं के वहीं स्टॉप हो जाएगा. आई हैव सीन मेनी फ्रीलांसर्स, दे आर वर्किंग मोर देन 12 आवर्स बिकॉज उनको दूसरे दूसरे क्लाइंट से कनेक्शन उनको बनाना होता है. एक प्रोजेक्ट के बाद या फिर एक के साथ साथ उनके मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स चलते हैं. सो उनको ये भी चीजें देखनी होती है. सो this is not the mentality. Don't think that freelancer is only for the 2 to 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours. freelancer अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो यू कैन डू, बट हाँ ऐसा भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि सपोज यू आर वर्किंग इन अ कंपनी फॉर द फुल टाइम, और अगर आपके पास थोड़ा बहुत टाइम बचता है, इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, then you can connect with some of company and you can start your freelancing also. So this is the secondary part, but if you want that कि नहीं मुझे अब पूरा फ्रीलांसिंग ही करना है, मेरी तरीके से सब कुछ स्टार्ट करना है, आई विल बी दी बॉस और समथिंग, सो you have to work even more. Okay, now we will move forward. Why medical writing is important? अगर मेडिकल राइटिंग होता नहीं तो क्या होता? So it is important for regulatory compliance, right? Because regulatory documents are strict to the guidelines. They want all the document as per the guidelines. Okay, and guidelines are like FDA, EMA, or ICH. Now medical writer what will do, they will assure that this all documents meet all the regulatory requirement. Okay, so each and every document they are preparing in that way so they can comply with the regulatory requirement. Now first is regulatory compliance. If medical writer doesn't have that knowledge, I really want to say that if you are looking forward as a medical writing, you should be know the regulatory guidelines also. I will mention in above in below slides that what the thing we have to learn, but we can go through with the in initial basis we can go through with the ICH GCP guideline. Okay, now scientific integrity. Medical writers contribute to maintain the scientific integrity of research, right? By presenting the data in a clear and unbiased manner. Medical writer is also, after the study is completed, they are preparing clinical study report. So they have to present the data in very clear and unbiased form. So we sorry बार बार वी निकल रहा है. Medical writer should assure that scientific integrity cannot be compromised, so they have to maintain that also. Okay, this is essential for peer reviewed publication. I will answer this question that what is peer reviewed publication in further slide. Patient safety and education. Accurate and clear communication is essential in patient education material, ensuring that patient understand how to use medication correctly and what potential side effect they may encounter. Whenever the product came to the market, okay, then they are launching one leaflet or one article about that or something like we can say leaflet. If you remember कि कोई भी न्यू ड्रग लॉन्च होती है या फिर कुछ न्यू चीज है जिसे कैसे यूज करना है, वो स्टोरेज वाला कंटेंट तो लिखा होता है, एज वेल एज उनके साथ में एक स्मॉल लीफलेट दी जाती है, तो उसमें सारा सब कुछ लिखा होता है कैसे यूज करना है, इसके क्या साइड इफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, इसे किस तरीके से लगाना है, एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, तो ये सब कुछ जो लिखता है वो मेडिकल राइटर ही लिखता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज मार्केट सक्सेस. अभी कोई भी ड्रग मार्केट में आई है तो उसका प्रमोशन करना पड़ेगा, और वो प्रमोशन होगा बहुत सारे आर्टिकल से और मैगजीन्स में और मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट से। तो इन सब से उसका मार्केटिंग होगा। सो मार्केटिंग पर्पस के लिए भी मेडिकल राइटर को ही चूज किया जाता है। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, types of medical writing. First is regulatory writing, second is educational medical writing, third is medico market writing, and fourth is publication writing.